wondered what life would look like if you became the best version of yourself? If you were the loving and supportive parent or spouse you wanted to be? If you thrived at an optimal level at work? If you experienced more joy? Well, I invite you to do more than dream. Make joy a reality by working with a professional health coach. Hi, I'm Hanni and you're watching Tea Time, where I help you become the best version of yourself so you can live your best life. If you're new to Tea Time, make sure to click the subscribe button or follow button on this page. Also, check out the notes section where I've included important links for today's video. You know, clients choose to work with a professional health coach for a variety of reasons. Some want to lose weight or find some more balance between their work and their home life, while others want to prevent their parents' chronic diseases. Whatever your goals are, it's important to realize that health is much bigger than just the food on your plate. Health is the combination of your mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being. Now, as health coaching isn't a regulated field yet, not every self-proclaimed health coach has solid training, good qualifications, and the experience you're looking for. So if you're considering working with a health coach, I want to give you 4 must-haves that you want to vet your health coach for. Oh, and yes, please share the comments below what you believe makes a good health coach and any personal experience you may have had already. Okay, so first, you want to work with a health coach who's received proper training and a certificate from a reputable health coaching school. Coaching programs take at a minimum 6 months, but most are actually a 1-year curriculum. So working with someone who's gone through maybe a 4 to 6 weeks course is likely not going to give you the same results. You also want to work with a health coach who has experience with the challenges that you're facing. Someone who has been where you are now and undoubtedly will understand you a lot better and will offer much more effective solutions for you. For example, if you're a super busy executive and a mom of 3, it would be great to work with a health coach who is a busy working mom herself, right? And therefore she would understand, or he would understand how you feel a lot better. A good health coach will also have a holistic approach, meaning that they understand and help you realize that your level of satisfaction or dissatisfaction in one area impacts all aspects of your life. For example, feeling discontent with the relationships in your life can greatly impact what you eat. A health coach should guide you to consider all areas of your life, your career, your physical activity, how happy you are with your home environment, your social life, your spirituality, your creativity, and even your finances. And lastly, you want to work with someone who keeps you energized every step of the way. Someone who knows when to push your limits, but also when to back off. You want to work with a health coach who is your biggest cheerleader and your accountability partner. Ultimately, you're looking for results, so finding a person that you click with is so important. Having amazing health coaches on the Joy Wheel team is crucial. Quite frankly, it's the foundation our companies build on. Helping you become the best version of yourself is a lot more than checking a few boxes. We want for you to find that deep love for your life and the desire to live it fully, to be all you can be. On that note, as far as we are talking about tea time, I'm enjoying some dandelion tea today. I thought it was quite appropriate choice, as dandelion is the perfect detoxifier for the body. You know, kind of like the analogy of getting rid of the old that no longer serves you and inviting in the new. Well, if you're ready, I invite you to look at the new as well. I invite you to check out the links I've included to explore our services and to give us a call whenever you're ready. On that note, cheers, here's to you.